All right, so today I'm shooting with my friend Allie, who's actually behind the camera right now. She's doing the peace sign, there we go. And I'm shooting on the Fujifilm X-S10. I have a few different lenses. It doesn't really matter, but I'll leave a list. We're shooting with our white backdrop, as you can see, and it's a bit windy, so this shall be a challenge, to say the least. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Peace. Dang it. Let's do, first off, I really like the light that's coming through here, like right here. So I kind of want to get a few shots of just your face, like kind of close up here.
Okay.
Because that light's going to be so soft. So yeah. And then come up closer to me this way. I'm shooting super wide. This looks really good. Hold on a second. That's what you are. That's perfect. And let's bring you, come up a little bit closer. And right now, and your stats, everything looks good to me. We'll do that again. 1, 2, 1, 2. The sheet. And just kind of pull it towards you.
Just putting your nails on, and I'm like, how do I?
That's good right there. Perfect. Yep. Look out to your left, kind of past the other camera. That's great. Just kind of get your head tilted to the left. There you go. Oh, that's to the right. Sorry, I'm backwards. That's good. Perfect. Yeah, let's just see where it goes. And honestly, if it blows out that way, we might just move out that way. Okay. Let's just see, because you have such a soft light on you right now. I like the hands behind you just like that. That's great. Yes. Keep your hands up like you're holding it up like that right there. Let's get like to the middle of it. There we go. I'm gonna have you look out to the right. Alright, so stay right where you're at. And I'm gonna have you hold it up again with both hands like that, but face your body back out that way. Yep, and then look back towards me. Like that. That's great. But I swear it was not windy at all earlier. And now, here we are. Katrina. I'm doing this because everybody else has done this in the world except me, so this is us doing this.
This is
right
us
now.
joining the club.
Joining the club. And I'm okay with it. This looks really good. Alright, I'm gonna come in a little bit closer on the knees.
Yep. Oh, that was the catch of the century. Hold on, I'll get my backpack.
That's good. Get it down lower. That's perfect. Alright, look back towards the camera here. Like that right there. That's good. I'm gonna kind of come over top of you. Alright, look up. Perfect. Love the movement. That's awesome. Perfect. Let's do like a little squat here. There you go. That's good. Once you get like a leg out a little bit and then kind of lean back into this one. There we go. That's good. Perfect. Right. I'm so far from you with this lens, it's like not close at all. That's great. Awesome. That's good. I'm not telling you what to do anymore. Oh, that's awesome. There you go. Alright, I want you to step like right here beside me. A little bit closer. And I want your body facing back that way towards it. And I want you to do the step and then look back past that camera right there. There you go. So it's super hot right now, as you can tell. This hair, you know what I mean? This is awful. Everything's bad right now. But I'm shooting on the 18mm f1.4 at the moment. But I also brought the Minolta 50mm 1.7. And I think that this thing's gonna produce some really cool images. Manual focus, very old, but it's gonna make some really dreamy images, and I'm really excited about using it against our white background over here. So I really like this, like the solemnness of it. This looks really good. Over your shoulder one time. All right, let's do one where you're like over your shoulder, but you feel like you saw something. Okay. I'm switching lenses to the Minolta. Let's see how that goes. Alright, let's get your right hand like across your head. That's good. So this is a manual focus. Hardest thing is always hiding my shadow. great where you're at. Let's do one where your hand's kind of like across your face a little bit. Yeah, that's good. I like the element that you have in your hand, whatever that is. Nobody knows. It takes so long with this thing, just because I'm like having it constantly, just like a film camera. All right, 1 second. Let's do a straight face back up this way. That's good. Let's get. All right, so just to show, I want to show like how close I can get with this Minolta. So I'm gonna get like a close up. It's not really gonna be that close, I guess. I'm gonna have to move in and out. All right, it's very close. All right, try not to move for a second. Now let's pull the arms back a little bit further, like that, and then pull down. There we go. And this time, let's bring it up almost like, and yeah, toe pointed. That's great. Look back down towards me. That's good. I want to do some without this thing. So can we come out here? Is that
No
cool?
nature was harmed in the making of these photos.
We didn't break anything.
Yes.
I don't want to be here. So I want you to reach your arms out like that again, but I'm going to shoot up through them.
Okay.
Right? Alright, and then look out towards the sun. Chin down a little bit so I can see your face. That's amazing. I'm going to do it one more time. Let's just do like a few like kind of slow spins, like and you can get back and forth. Get the legs going.
Okay.
Move them around a little bit. Yes. Yeah. I think it's because it's so pretty.
Yeah.
And you just wouldn't expect it to be. It's like the most beautiful. Alright, so I'm back on the 18mm. We're going to use the top of this building is what I'm kind of wanting to do. So we're going to get like a lot of headspace, but the building is going to fill that up for the composition. So let's see how that looks. Alright, so you're going to look out. I do have to say that the Minolta is showing out right now. It's doing pretty good. I think that this is going to be a great spot for some lines. An alley is set up right there. I think this is going to look like a movie.
Yeah.
This sunset looks crazy. Let me fix my stuff again. Let's come over the fence a little bit. Like that right there. Kind of drop your arms all the way. Alright. Oh my god, look at that hole.
Are you okay?
Yes. But damn, that could have been bad.
Is
That
your
was
ankle
deep.
okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Your foot was in there.
I hope that was on there. Look how deep that is. I mean, it goes forever.
That, you know, a post was there.
Had to have been. Oh my gosh.
Golly.
Wow. Alright.
Oh.
Alright, so let's think of something. Alright, so let's say this is a theme, something out of a movie. I might need you to come on this side.
You know
so,
Christina's
like,
Way, the painting?
No.
Very Christina.
Something. That would Like it was out of a scene of a movie. Do it. He did a great job. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Allie did a wonderful job. The sunset was amazing, and hopefully nobody has stole our backdrop. I can still see it over there. We just wanted to kind of do something with that. It was like 110 degrees, it feels like. And did you have fun?
I had a great time. It was a really enjoyable shoot, even though it was hot, because it was so peaceful and beautiful here. And I'm excited. Hunter always does a great job and has such a unique vision, so I can't wait to see the photos.
Yeah, I can't either. And yeah, I'll link your Instagram down below. Cool. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.